Welcome guys, so today I am with EarFun Air Pro and I'm gonna show you how you can connect them to your iPhone. So the first, we have to simply open the case with our EarFun earbuds. You have to remember to charge them at least to 50%. Right here you can find the USB-C input. So open the case, and in the most cases this indicator inside will start blinking on the green and the white, and it means that the pairing mode is activated automatically. So you have to open the settings, go for Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and then you'll find the EarFun Air Pro. So you have to simply tap once and we will be connected. But if you have any connection problem, you can perform the quick hard reset. So you have to press this button twice quickly. Right now it starts blinking on the white. Let's make it one more time. Just like that. As you can see, we are not connected anymore, and the earbuds are in the pairing mode automatically. So tap once on the earphone, we cannot connect, so turn off Bluetooth, turn it on back, and then select them from the available devices list. As you can see, right now we are connected. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.